Do you want to make your Instagram account private? So don't worry, you are on the right place, because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can easily convert your Instagram account to private. So first of all, open up your Instagram app. After that, go to your profiles, and then what you all have to do, just click on these three lines and go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you find the option account privacy. Click on this option, and after that just turn on this option private account. After that, switch to private, hit on it. Now your account has been converted to private account. So this is how you can convert your account to private. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.